In this video, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram account back to a personal account. This is useful if you want to remove Instagram professional features or go back to a private personal Instagram account. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Now, just below your bio, tap on Professional Dashboard. Once it opens, look at the top right and tap the settings icon. Next, scroll down, but in my mobile phone, these steps do not show. But I will tell you all the step one by one. Here it is, and tap on Switch Account Type. Here, you'll see options like Switch to Personal Account and Switch to Creator Account. Just tap Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will show a confirmation message explaining that you'll lose professional features like insights and analytics. If you're sure, tap Switch to Personal to confirm. If this process don't work, then go back to the profile, press it, and tap on your main account. It may take a moment, and that's it. Your Instagram account is now switched back to personal successfully.